Hi everyone. In today's video, we are going to be looking at how to do a keyword research for a YouTube content. But firstly, why are we doing a keyword research? The reason why we do keyword research is to identify your audience. You should know their interest. What are they looking at? What is their need? What is their demand? You understand? Making a good keyword research will make you to identify those things. And when your content is within this keyword, that is when you can get your views. So firstly, let's look at this app which we can use to make a keyword research. Let's make use of Vidic. If you are not having this app, you should install it. Download it from Play Store and install it. Then you log in your account. You create an account with them. Then you link your channel. You can link your channel, your YouTube channel with them so that Vidic can analyze your channel and suggest a good keyword for you to write on. So this is Vidic app. This is just interface of the app for those that are beginners with this app. Now, down here we have generate. It can also help you to write a particular content that you are interested at, but that is not what we are looking at today. What we are looking at today in Vidic is keyword research. You understand? Let's go to keywords. Now, what Vidic is showing me now is the particular keyword that is trending or that people are likely searching at this month. You see, rising keywords this month. Topic now is all. You understand? And the search volume and the location. The language. This is it. You understand? Top keyword opportunities. Those top keyword opportunities are those ones that if you write about it, you might rank or get much view. You understand? Now it says how to grow on YouTube. Let's click it and see. Now you can see it says the search volume is 72, while the competition is very high. You see, it's high. What this means is that when the search volume is high and your competition is low, if you write about this content, it is very good. Such content is very good. But when competition is high and search volume is low, you as a beginner, you cannot go and be competing with those that are already ranking on those keywords that are writing about it. So the best keywords to write on is those ones that have high search volume and low competition, or the ones that have high search volume and high competition. Yes, this one is even better, so that at least you should be able to get either 40 over 50 or 40 over 100 or 50 over 100 in your percentage of ranking or having such views in such particular keywords. So with the help of Vidic, you can also get keyword idea. You can get idea from this idea here. You're having free keyword idea, 3 free keyword idea every day, since you are using the normal mode, since it's not a premium app. Now it says trading psychology, master your mind for profit. And here is a view prediction, very high. Understand? This one is just a keywords idea that Vidic app will help you to generate by themselves for free. So I will just save it. Now it says my 20-year journey with the best trading boots, and the prediction is also high, although I'll still save it. Now it says watch the transform, a small forex account from $444 to $5,000. So now it says nice, you view all your daily ideas. So we are done for that. All those ones that I saved, you can come here and see them back again. Those keywords that I saved before. So that in case if I wanted to write about them, I'll go later and make my own content about them. So with the help of Vidic, it also show you your ranking and optimize your content. You understand? You can optimize your content. Now, because I'm not using the premium version, that's why it's showing this. You understand? So that is it. This is how you make your keyword research. Here, this is how you make your keyword research. Let's assume now, let's talk about how to start daily trade. How to start daily trade. Then let's click it and see. Now we are making a keyword research. Now you can see the result is out. It says the search volume is 47, while the competition is very low. You understand? This is trading niche, but in this particular topic now, how to start a daily trade. Now, such content like this, as a new channel, you can still write about them. At least you can still write about them. You see how to day trade for beginners, 49. And now under this it says make money online, 68 search. So this is how you keep on generating your keyword ideas. It says the search volume is what? 89, while the competition is high. So now, no matter what, now the volume is still more than the competition. So such keyword is okay to write about how to make money online. But remember, this is going to be a very wide topic to talk about. How to make money online. There are different ways of making money online. You understand? So you have a lot to cover on such content. So after talking about keyword research using a Vidic, let's look at trend. Google Trend. I download the app. You can use Trend to also make a keyword research. So this is Google Trend, and you can make a keyword research here. You understand? Let's assume we wanted to make a keyword research on, okay, let's say how to make money online. Let's search the same thing again and see how to make money online. Then you click. My location is Nigeria, so the result is giving me now, and the search is based on Nigeria results. You understand? You can change your country, you can change locations and make a research about them. So this is it. The interest over time is high. As at February 15 is when I'm recording this video now. So you can see, and the region where they are searching such words: Ogun State, Anambra, Rivers, Lagos, FCT, and so on. Now, the related topics about this now is marketing, writing, create fast, and investment. You understand? So this is how you make your keyword research. Let's search on trending now, so that you know a particular words or topic that is trending online, especially those that are in entertainment. They will just come over to this trending now, know what is happening at the time, then they will write about it. Click on trending now. Let's see the particular word that is currently trending. They say Leicester City vs Arsenal, and it's very active. They have almost 1,000 case plus searches active. Those ones that are in a sport niche can come over here and write on this. You will see. As at 1 hour ago, 4 hours ago, and yesterday, Leicester City Arsenal. So this is how it is. Over 8 hours ago now, this keyword has been what? Active and rising on Google. So this was Osasuna Real Madrid 20k search. Let's check it out and see. Yes, it's also doing well. Then from here, You can go to your home, then you choose on location. Choose on location. Let's use United States. Let's use United States, then president. Let's search on this keyword. Is it trending there? United States. United States. Yes, even also, this keyword is not actually doing well much. Searching the word president is not too much doing well because District of Columbia 100, 75, 71, 17, 69 is not too much doing well. You understand? Then it will not give you a related topic. You understand? In case if you are interested in it. You understand? Then you explore. This is how you use Google Trend to do your research. Now you can see the way it's going up and coming down. This is how the keyword is performing. Even this one now is at least is okay. The way it is as interesting over time. If you write on such keyword like this, at least you have much view and you rank for the keyword. So this is how you use Google Trend to do a keyword research. So you can also use X to do a keyword research. You can use X to do a keyword research, especially those that are in entertainment. You understand? Because you just come over here and see funny things, news, and that. You understand? Then let's click on our search. Click on trending. You understand? Now you can see mostly now what you're having now is sports. Let's click on this sports. And the top searches here, top trending is Arsenal. Even from Google Trend just now, we are still having Arsenal as a trending keyword. And the first post here is still what? Arsenal. I think this game now. Arsenal vs Man City. Okay, sorry, Arsenal Leicester. You understand? So it's Arsenal now that is trending. Making a particular content that is focused on such keyword now, you will rank on it. You understand? You will rank on it on YouTube and you have much views. So this is how you make your research, your keyword research. Not that you go over and just write a content or you just do a video content and publish it. You need to understand what your audience need, what is their demand, what are they actually looking for at a particular time. You understand? So before you create any content. So this is how you make your Google, your keyword research, either in Vedic, X, or using Google Trend. This is just the three things we are looking at today. Thank you very much. Please, if this is your first time of watching our video, kindly subscribe. Please kindly subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much. Wake up with passion.